Hey everyone, this is Dan from the Digital Marketing Toolkit, and today we're going to go over how to create simple flowcharts. If you're running a small business and you feel like your processes are all over the place, things like following up with clients, lead intake, or onboarding, it can be really hard to keep track of what happens when. Or maybe when you're trying to explain your service or your process to another business, like during a proposal or a partnership conversation, and words alone just won't cut it. That's exactly why today I'm going to show you how to create simple flowcharts using AI, even if you've never done anything like this before. Let's jump right in. Before we start, please keep in mind that you can make your flowchart as simple or as complicated as you need it to be. But to keep this super beginner friendly, I'll show you how to create a simple flowchart using two free tools. My custom GPT to write the flowchart prompt, which you can access for free at bfpsgpt.com, and a free account on Napkin AI to turn those prompts into actual flowcharts that you can use in your business. Start by heading over to bfpsgpt.com. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the chat interface looks exactly like ChatGPT's. However, this particular GPT is custom trained to help you do all of your small business marketing tasks. Start by typing in what you want to visualize in your flowchart. For this example, I'm going to ask it to generate a step-by-step simple flowchart for how our voice and chat AI service handles all of our clients' lead generation, follow-up, and scheduling. To save time, I pre-wrote the prompt, which I'll paste in now. After you produce the prompt to create your flowchart with, just copy the output and head over to Napkin AI. Now go ahead and click on the Get Napkin Free button on the upper right-hand side of the page and sign in with your Google account, or you can create an email and password login instead. Paste in the prompt you created into the text box by clicking on By Pasting My Text Content. Now simply choose between all of the different styles that it gives you. I'm going to go with this first one in this color format. Keep in mind that you can make any additional changes by moving things around, renaming steps, adding icons, changing colors, etc. So once you're all set, make sure to erase the prompt and move this up a little bit and give it a quick name. Go to click on Share, Download PDF, and then choose what you want. If you want a single continuous page, you want the A4 standard, the US letter, or presentation. I'm going to go for presentation 16 by 9. This is great if you're onboarding a virtual assistant, you're creating a systems doc, or you're just trying to spot gaps in your process. Speaking of AI tools, if you're looking for more tools like Napkin AI that'll save you a ton of time and effort, I put together a free AI tools checklist that's specifically made for small business owners. It's got the best free and low-cost tools that you can start using right now. Visit goaitools.co or click the link in the description. Lastly, if you're a small business owner and don't know where to start with your marketing, or you do, but you need a faster and more efficient way to get things done, make sure to check out our free custom-built GPT that I mentioned earlier, that again you can access at bfpsgpt.com. Whether you need help mapping out a process, writing your emails, building automations, coming up with ad campaign ideas, auditing your website, SEO, and a bunch of other stuff, this GPT is designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. I use it every single day for my own business. And again, it's free and it's built to help you execute all of your small business tasks. So make sure to check it out. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create a simple flowchart, what's the first part of your business that you plan on mapping out? Will it be for a service, onboarding steps, employee training, or something else? Please let me know in the comments as I read each and every single one. Thank you for watching the Digital Marketing Toolkit. I'll see you guys in the next video.